With the way things are in today's world, it's probably a really good idea for your house to have a doorbell camera. And if you can have more surveillance cameras around your whole house, that's even better. You never know when those cameras might just be the evidence they need to catch the person that did whatever to you or your family. And you never know when those cameras might be enough to encourage them not to do something to you and your family. So I honestly recommend surveillance cameras at all times. This is 5 scariest things caught on doorbell cameras. I'll have the link to the original down in the description below. Let's go and get right into it.
A cry for help. This video was
Don't
posted
fall
by
for
Reddit
it.
user Unknown Truth. He says that his friend's wife had a very odd experience one day as she walked outside to do the laundry. The incident was caught on their Ring doorbell camera. The woman hears some strange noise, and it's not coming from the Ring camera speaker. In fact, the eerie moaning seems to be coming right out of the bare wall beside her.
Weird.
Now, I boosted the audio on this clip, and, well, just take a listen.
Weird as fuck. Sounds like a dog whining too.
Some strange voice in the wall seems to be crying out for help. The woman is so freaked out that she actually goes inside and calls the police.
I looked around, I didn't see anybody out on the road or any cars or anything. So I went back to my Ring video to make sure I wasn't just usually hearing something.
I can hear somebody saying something like that.
Well, I posted it on there.
The police search the premises, but there's no one there. So just what is this strange disembodied voice that seems to be begging for help?
That's fucking weird.
Let me know what you think down in the comments. No treat. The thought of Halloween sparks images of happy children dressed in costumes rushing from door to door to collect as much candy as they can. But this next video
Halloween's
didn't take
honestly
place on Halloween.
like a fun holiday
in the
or
middle of a sweltering summer
day to
in
celebrate,
August
but at the
in
same time
San Antonio,
freaky.
Texas.
What the fuck?
Trick or treat. Trick or treat. Trick or treat. Now my feet.
The way he's just holding his arm under that is suspicious looking.
The bizarre masked man says, "Trick or treat, smell my feet." Then he seems to get distracted by his own feet. And then he just seems to wander off in a confused state.
Yeah, he does.
Now, one has to wonder if the man had been having some special treats of his own.
Or maybe mental issues? I don't really
Surprise
know.
visit.
Or
On a
drugs.
warm sunny day in May,
that's what he
Gerald
probably meant by
Haywood was
special
visiting a
treats.
friend's
I'm
home in
stupid.
Lawton, Oklahoma. Now, in accordance with YouTube's family-friendly content guidelines, let me say in advance that no one was seriously hurt in this clip. But I'll explain that later.
Looks like a mailman. Oh no, it's not. Oh shit. Oh my god.
Take me to the hospital.
Dude literally almost fucking falls on the steps and then just bam gets hit by a snake. Why was karma after this man? Holy shit.
Turns out that there's a 6-foot-long snake wrapped around the porch
Karma was
line.
like, okay, if he
When
doesn't
Gerald
fall in the
opens
steps
door,
and crack his head, the
strikes
snake's
just
gonna
above
get
his
him.
right eye.
It's like just as
Luckily,
suspected.
the snake
The
is
steps
not
didn't work.
venomous, and the
Gonna
bottom
have to
of
go
his
for
eye
plan B.
isn't deep. Gerald was rushed to the hospital, but didn't require anything more than a couple of band-aids and some light antibiotics. And I have to admit, the first time I watched this video, I thought it was horrific. And the second time, I thought it was hilarious. So, I'm sorry, Gerald.
Ow! Kurt, take me to the hospital. Take me to the hospital. Get that snake.
Man.
Get that snake. At your mailbox.
At your
Right
mailbox.
there. No, I'm not.
Ghost caught on doorbell. YouTube user LexusJV claims that he caught a ghost on his Ring doorbell camera. At 4:23 in the morning, he got an alert that his camera had sensed motion. When he first
Oh,
reviewed
fuck.
the tape, he just noticed this, which just appears to be a spider web moving in the wind.
That's actually pretty
Then,
good.
when he looked closer, he
At the same
noticed
time, it looks a little
this.
thicker than that.
It looks almost as if some shapeless white face is pressed to the window for a closer look inside.
Weird.
The
I
Ring
see
camera,
actually like a
sensing no
body
more
that's
motion,
further back.
just shuts off. And it didn't turn back on again for the rest of the night. So is this a ghost in the window, or just a trick of the light? In another alleged ghost Ring video, YouTuber Vengeance Gaming posted a video saying that he thought his Ring doorbell had picked up a ghost.
That's fucking... I didn't think that there was gonna be so much freaky shit like this on the Ring doorbell video. It's kind of odd, that's for sure. Where to go? It just like disappeared behind that pole. Oh wait, no, there it is again.
We see what looks like a woman dressed all in white who seems to walk out of the darkness from somewhere near the house. And then she just sort of walks off into the dark. Vengeance Gaming, who by the way has never posted another paranormal video on his channel, suggests that it could be, quote, the lady in white. But it could also simply just be a prank. You
Or just a
decide.
random person
One night.
staggering around at night.
Late one night, an older woman named Kathleen hears something outside her Bristol, Connecticut home. Cautious about opening the door to a stranger, she looks outside and sees someone in a car parked just across the street from her house. She yells from a window.
Can I help you? The second time I yelled it, he
Why
took
would you
off
even-
without the lights on and then went flying up the other street.
When Kathleen checks her Ring doorbell camera, her blood runs cold.
Oh god. That guy does not look like he's there for anything good. Never open your doors to anybody. Oh my god. Yeah, he was not there for nothing good, that's for damn sure.
It looks like a scene right out of a Purge movie, and the potential intruder definitely seems to have meant Kathleen harm.
Watch how he wipes off the door handle, and he's got something heavy in his pocket.
Kathleen contacted the police, but the mysterious man in the smiling mask has never been found.
It's a mask?
It's not all bad. After all the weird and scary things that I've counted down in this list, it might seem like doorbell cameras only record frightening things and the absolute worst of human nature. So I wanted
Well, no,
to
that's
include
just
one
what
last
kinda
bonus
takes
story
off.
that might at least slightly restore your faith in
It spreads
humanity.
the awareness.
Katie Eagermacris was leaving in a rush one morning from her Washington, D.C. home and forgot to zip her purse. Her wallet fell out somewhere along her way to work. She certainly never expected to see it again. But when she got home, she found this on her doorbell camera.
Damn, so he found it, looked up her address, and brought it straight back to her.
The man who had found her wallet had checked her ID to find her address, and then had even delivered her wallet right
that's
to her
fucking-
door. He tries to put it in her
Props
mailbox,
for that
but
guy.
it won't fit, so he hides it safely under the mat. Katie says that all of her credit cards were there, and not even a single dollar was missing.
Wow.
Thanks for watching. If you'd like to submit or suggest a video, contact me at
Man. That guy deserved an award.